saw a curve upon the page, a path that stretched through time and age. Every point a story told, a mystery waiting to unfold. From mountain peaks to oceans wide, numbers guide the changing tide, tracing patterns day and night, turning questions into light. Calculus, show me the way through every moment of every day, across the numbers, through endless skies, where knowledge grows and spirits rise in